Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.